Hi, Clare Apana from Wailuku, Maui, and I just wanted to tell you about this case that we just finished. The judge's decision will allow us to go on to a contested case of a permit that was given to an archaeological company. Now, why is that important? It is important because there is very little oversight over archaeology and the practices that they use in Hawaii. And they are generally just given a permit. And we have had so many problems with our iwi kupuna and burials here in Maui, as well as other questionable archaeological practices, that we felt it was important that there be some way that we get to say, wait a minute, we deserve to have better review of what's happening to an archaeological permit. And when this particular archaeologist, it's called ASH, Archeological Services Hawaii, was given a permit on a land that we happened to be following, and saw numerous violations of the monitoring plan. We asked them to please, would you check this? See if this is right. We would like to give you information. And they said, no, you can't have a contested case. So today we're here in the circuit court because we could not get a ruling to have a contested case. The judge's ruling involved two things: one, timeliness, which he said we were timely, and two, did we have property rights? Because the Attorney General came back and said they have no property rights, so they don't have any standing to have a contested hearing. But what was found by the judge was that we indeed have property rights. And first I went to the attorney, I said, what do you mean we don't have property rights? I got property in these sand dunes. What do you mean? We have crown lands, we have government lands. What do you mean Hawaiians don't have property rights? But it is a different facet of the law where you have property rights. And what gave us this is Article 12, Section 7 of the Constitution of Hawaii, which, by the way, goes back into the kingdom laws as its origin for this particular statute, that gives us the right to practice and uphold our traditional practices and cultural rights. Let me say that again. It gives us the right to practice our culture, to do our traditional practices, such as gathering, such as fishing, such as picking our limu. These are all things that are protected by our Constitution of the Hawaiian state. But in all of our advocacy over the last 10 years, we have never been able to get any body of the county or the state to recognize those rights in terms of protecting our iwi kupuna. And protecting our iwi kupuna is one of the most sacred and traditional practices that we have. So I just want to say it's a big day for us. It's a big day for all people who believe that protecting our ancestral bones is our right, and it is our traditional practice. Thank you very much.